All right, so most Android phones have this cool little feature that allows you to easily reach everything on your phone screen with one hand. To turn this on a Samsung phone, we'll go to Settings and scroll down to Advanced Features. Here, you'll see a toggle for one-handed mode, and you can choose to trigger it either with a gesture or with a button. The button would work by double-tapping the home button, and with the gesture, you can swipe down from the center of the bottom of your screen, if that makes sense. Once you trigger one-handed mode, it basically scales down your entire display and puts everything within reach of one hand. Everything works the same as always. Things are just easier to reach with one hand. You can switch the side depending on whether you're using your left or right hand. And the little handle up top, you can move the window slightly higher on your screen if you want. To exit one-handed mode, just tap anywhere outside that box, and the screen will scale up to its normal dimensions. That's it. I kind of love Samsung's style of doing this and how they keep the entire display accessible when one-handed mode is enabled. If you're using a Google Pixel, Motorola, or something with stock Android, they have a similar feature, but it works slightly differently. You're going to go to Settings, then scroll down to System, and within the System settings, you'll go to Gestures, and there you'll have your one-handed mode. Turn that on, and similarly here, you can swipe down from the bottom of your display. But this one kind of just pulls everything down a little, instead of shrinking the whole display. So this one's more about being able to reach whatever is at the top of your screen, and then returning back to normal automatically. So if I'm in Settings and I want to tap something at the top, I'll bring the top closer to me, tap it, and you'll see how it goes back to the normal view. This is very similar to iPhone's Reachability feature. So a little different between Pixel and Samsung, but both get the job done. I like Samsung's approach more though. Anyways, that's one-handed mode on Android. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.